Continuing from the last video, I am making my way to Singapore. As usual, we took one of the latest train to the airport because my flight was an early morning flight. Naturally, we would have to camp out at the airport for a while.
Feel like being brand new over you, over you. You could be the one to make me.
This time I took a direct flight from Dubai to Malaysia, which is via Batik Air. It's honestly one of the cheapest flights that you could get if you wish to fly directly from Dubai to Malaysia.
Lights different, Pacific lines. Felt so high, I'm never crashing down. Learn your eyes to pass the time. Hazel tides that we run dry. Another night goes by.
My auntie and uncle came to pick me up at the airport. Of course, the first meal that I had in Malaysia was pulut ayam. You simply must not skip the fried shallots if you are having one of these. And the next morning, I took a taxi to the airport again to catch my flight, which is at 10 a.m. to Singapore.
Make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new over you, over you.
I have not been to Singapore for quite some time. I think the last time I was here was in 2021, right when the COVID-19 travel restriction was lifted. But I remember it was super stressful. Everyone was super scared of one another. It was really not the best time to be traveling. And if you are in Changi Airport, Singapore, you have to visit the Jewel, which is a shopping and sightseeing place that is located inside the airport. This area is open to public. It is not restricted to people who are about to board the plane, so anyone can access it.
Starlight blur across state lines. Palm outside to face the sky. Another night goes by. I can't describe what you are. Yeah. But you could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new over you, over you. You could be the one to make me.
I was especially interested in taking some photos inside this photo booth. I picked the Hello Kitty themed booth.
Rooftop lights, a new skyline. Lights different, Pacific lines.
You can make payment using card, and you also have the option to pick one of these frames. I picked the one with the same color as my outfit.
Hazel tides that we run dry. Another night goes by. I can't describe what I found. But you could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand.
After I had my lunch, I was heading to the train platform in order to get my Singapore tourist pass because I know that I will be using the MRT a lot, so might as well just get the 3-day pass so that I don't have to worry about reloading the balance. I went to the stadium to collect the ERAS Tour VIP merch box. I was planning to line up for the official merch like the shirts and hoodies, but the line was too long and they are closing in about half an hour. I then went to the shop. This mall was not open yet the last time I was here, so it's fun to explore and walk around the mall. I gotta say that there's something about a lot of Swifties coming together to go to this show that makes overall atmosphere super exciting and cheerful. I was also trying to find something to eat, but because of the influx of tourists due to the ERAS tour, most of the tables are taken, and sadly, because I'm traveling alone, there's no one there to save a seat for me while I go and order food, so I ended up getting takeaway for a sagu dessert. On to the main event of the evening, which is the lights and water show at the Marina Bay Sand Event Plaza. I quickly took a spot to get the best view. Hi guys, I'm in Singapore. Today is my first day in Singapore. I went to the stadium earlier today after I've checked in. So when I first arrived here, which was about 11:45, I went to Jewel. I went and had my lunch there. After that, I came here to the hotel and checked in. After I've checked in, I did the room tour of this room. I will put it in right now if you are curious. Starting from the front door, here is the bathroom. Thank God they have bidet and a nice shower. Check whether it's a two-way mirror. They have some amenities, dental kit, shower cap, sanitary bag, comb, a hand wash. Now look at me! They have tissue. From this side we have the TV. And this is my view right at the junction of the hotel. I'm gonna have to close this once I'm done with the room tour. On this side, we have the hanging area. The mini fridge over there and some storage. The name of the hotel is Quay Hotel. You can put your luggage there. This is where the phone is. The hair dryer. Another storage with kiblat. You have a button you can use as relax or night mode. And then back to the bed. From this hotel, the nearest MRT is the Raffles Place and also Clarke Quay. Depending on where you're going, you have those two options. After I have collected my ERAS tour VIP merch, which is right here. This tote bag comes with this whole thing. I took it out of the box when I was at the stadium so that I could hold it using the tote bag. Let me open up one by one. This is what the tote bag looks like. Taylor Swift, the ERAS Tour VIP. This, and this is the front, I guess. And what's inside, other than this, is what the box looks like. What the inside looks like. And you have the posters, I guess. First one, you have this one. The next one. It also comes with this. I'm not sure what it is. I have watched people unboxing this before, but I can't remember. I remember that one of these has to be the lanyard. Also, I have this pin, the ERAS Tour pin. And here I have the VIP ticket. This is not an actual ticket, it's just like a souvenir type of ticket, so it doesn't actually say the right row or seat. Another thing that's inside, and I believe the rest are the postcards. So you have the first one, which is from the debut, Fearless, Speak Now, Red, 1989, Reputation, which is what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow, Lover, Folklore, Evermore, and the last one, which is Midnight. So basically it has all the eras, and you could write stuff at the back if you want to send it to someone. This is the last item that's in the box. Taylor Swift, the ERAS Tour VIP, and it's on both sides. Of course, you have to have the actual lanyard thing. I'm gonna open this up tomorrow. Next, I want to show you guys what I bought from the convenience store. I tried to eat at the mall that's called Shop, I think, because there are a lot of people there. I couldn't get a seat, and I really want to get back to the hotel as soon as possible, so I ended up going to the 7-Eleven, which is a convenience store here. I bought some food. The place has a microwave, so I was able to heat things up. So I got this honey roasted almonds. This is just a cutlery to eat with. I got an onigiri, which is spicy rice with tuna mayo onigiri. At the wrapper, it shows like what button to press on the microwave and press start. So this one has 2 on it. I got a Meiji drink, which is like a banana flavored milk. And lastly, the Thai basil chicken. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. Also, if you want to see my full outfit for today, I will have like a short video right over here. I didn't actually dress up for travel, so after I've checked in, I took a shower and changed into this outfit. Yep, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, and I'm gonna just wrap up the day, and let's see what tomorrow brings us. I'm planning to go and get the merch early. Hopefully the queue is not that long. Stay tuned for the rest of the day.
flashes of fire, ashes that keep my strength. And our time is a luxury, also sweet your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the vista of your hills in a silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas.